Go ahead, you're up.
I'm Brent Stounger, and we're the Professor Christiansen first year seminar class. We went to Devil's Lake, worked with the DNR there, led by Sue Johansson, to create a invasive species management plan.
Hi, my name's Tatiana. Here we go. So first of all, what is an invasive species? Basically, it is just one biological classification that is not found in certain environment naturally, and it usually replaces the native species. And for our community service project, we went to South Shore, Devil's Lake, and also the Stanky Basin to identify the invasive plants out there. Okay, so how do you usually do the survey? Well, first of all, you do some research, because in our case, we had to do it because we had to actually know how the plants look like, and even like things like if they're poisonous or not, like if you can touch them or not, it's like very important. Sorry, I'm so worried. So second, you get to place, and for us it was Devil's Lake, South Shore, Stanky Basin. And then you use a GPS, and we all had the survey sheets, and we had to like record the coordinates of a plant and things like density, and because like most of them very dense. So there you go. Here's some of the examples, like the plants, they were like very spread out there. So garlic mustard, one of them, it's most often found in shade, and it was bred from Europe as a herb. Produces chemicals and harms all the other plants around, all the good plants that are supposed to be in our society, in our like, yeah, those things. So the recanary grass is grows in like open areas, like because it's like the sunshine, and it was bred from Europe as well. Most of them were bred from Europe because that's where people came from like years ago, and to live in the United States. So, it was used as hay for farmers' crops, so very popular. The other one is buckthorn. It was brought generations ago, and some people may think it is supposed to grow here in Wisconsin, but it's not. It's an invasive plant, and it's everywhere at Devil's Lake. And it just blocks out other plants around, and it's poisonous. It actually like spreads chemicals in the soil, and like birds eat it, so they die, and it very it is very harmful. There you go. Okay, that's it.
By going to Devil's Lake, we learned how to identify and how to properly combat and help the DNR properly combat these invasive species. Every little bit of information we can give the DNR helps in the fight against the invasive species. We simply cannot let them go untouched. Some invasive species, just the damage they can cause through generations is insurmountable. Some of them will release poison into the very soil itself that will quite literally kill off everything that's not them. If we leave them unchecked, we will watch our natural parks decimated by them, and every little thing we can do to help is invaluable in the maintenance of Devil's Lake and the surrounding area.